Ready to transform your life in just 30 days? It all starts with mastering your habits. Step 1. Identify one key habit to change. Make it specific and achievable. Step 2. Create a clear, actionable plan. Break it down into daily tasks. Step 3. Set up your environment for success. Remove obstacles and add positive cues. Step 4. Track your progress daily. Use an app or journal to stay accountable. Step 5. Celebrate small wins along the way. Positive reinforcement boosts motivation. Step 6. Overcome setbacks with self-compassion. Learn from mistakes and adjust your approach. Step 7. Build a support system. Share your goals with friends or family. Step 8. Visualize your success each morning. See yourself living your transformed life. Stay consistent for 30 days. Watch as one habit change ripples through your life. You've got this. Your transformation starts now.